promptly into the second 45 minutes. Kroos. Toni Kroos. Griezmann. Timely intervention. Tries to locate someone up front. Hector Bellerin goes looking. And it's Dybala. And here's Messi. He's in! Goretzka!
Looking back on that, it was some save and potentially a big moment for the keeper and his team.
Tries to get it forward quickly. Just brushed off the ball there. Looking to break out here. And back to base. Longley. Toni Kroos. Messi. Pass needed to be better than that, and he knows it. Well, that's where he wants it.
Boca Juniors are definitely not going down without a scrap. Their attitude just can't be faulted.
Forward it goes. It's come loose. Goretzka. And it's Goretzka. Dybala gets it back.
There's a real appetite from them to finally put this game to bed, but will they?
Battles to win it back. Hector Bellerin. Almost there, and the players can feel it. Messi. Dybala. Griezmann. Shoots! The whistle has gone, and it is all over. What a match, what a comeback. That is how to respond to adversity. Truly